Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing another fast special, which is Vrat Ki Kadhi. So let's see how we go about making our Vrat Ki Kadhi. The first step to make our curry is in a bowl. I'm going to add some yogurt or curd or dahi. To this, I'm adding Singhare ka Atta or Waterchestnut flour. I'm going to whisk this well to ensure there are no lumps. Once this is whisked, I'm going to add in about a cup of water. And giving this a quick mix. Next, I'm going to turn on my pan, and once my pan is heated, I'm going to add in some ghee. You can even do this with oil. To this, I'm going to add some jeera. Allow the jeera to splutter. Once my jeera is spluttering, I'm going to add in some ginger paste and some chilli paste. Some curry leaves या curry patta. Next goes in my yogurt and singhare ka aate ka mix. My heat is on a medium high. I'm going to keep stirring this to ensure that my yogurt doesn't curdle and that there are no lumps. You need to keep stirring till this comes to a boil. So my curry has come to a boil. Next, I'm going to just add in some Sendha Namak and some coriander leaves. And our curry is ready. I hope you enjoy this curry.